We are in the presence of greatness. You know, some of the rock stars, and when I say rock stars, millionaire rock stars here in the Philippines, and I'm not just saying Metro Manila. We're practically rock stars of the world. You guys are rock stars of the.
Yes.
You know what we're talking about. It's an awards night tonight, and we're here to celebrate your rock star millionaireness, if there's such a word.
To really laud you and applaud you as you walk down the red carpet.
Habang humihinga tayo, kaya nating lumaban. At ang sarap makita ko, just tinitignan ko yung bawat isa sa inyo ngayon. Alam ko na lahat na nakaupo dito, sobrang determinado. Alam ko na lahat kayo gusto nyo ring makuha lahat ng pinapangarap nyo sa negosyong ito. Kaya coaches, this event is a reminder. And itong event na to is magsisilbing inspirasyon or magsisilbing reminder sa inyo na you need to be very excited all the time. I will bring this company to the highest and greatest height of success that no ever MLM company in the past has ever reached.
Congratulations, maraming salamat sa inyo. Mag-enjoy tayo kasi second year anniversary ng iWatch at PH. So congratulations sa ating lahat. Maraming salamat.
Happy second anniversary celebration, and this event is for all iWatchers. So let us all enjoy this night. May this be the biggest and most memorable night ng bawat isa sa inyo ngayon. Maraming salamat po, to God be the glory.
Yes, it all started with a dream. But with consistent effort, with determination, with unique compensation plan, that dream became into reality. Yung mga pangarap natin, alam niyo coaches, alam niyo iWatchers, nanonood ng mga Facebook Live natin ngayon, sobrang sarap sa feeling na makita namin ngayon sa yung mga nakaupo dito, sa yung mga leaders, na kahit pa paano natutulungan namin kayo, na nakikita namin na unti-unti ninyo naaabot yung mga pangarap ninyo. Sobrang sarap sa puso.
3 years ago, ako, Rainer, and Joseph had a vision. Makapagtayo ng company na makakatulong sa dalawa. The distributors and the business owners. So ito kami before, 6 months. 6 months kaming nag-meeting from 8 p.m. to 4 a.m. And yung klase namin from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. As in every day.
And now, I am beyond grateful. I am very happy. Napakasarap po sa feeling na as of now, we have 75,000 iWatchers. basta may pangarap ka, basta meron kang gustong makuha dito sa negosyo na to, basta magpatuloy ka, lahat po yan posible. You need to realize, coaches, 2 years pa lamang po ang negosyong ito. 2 years pa lang, ganito na po tayo kalawak. Ganito na tayo karami.